See tears that flow like rivers from the skies, and where it seems there are only borderlines, where others turn and sigh, you shall rise. You shall rise.
Uganda has always been well renowned amongst kayakers as being a mecca for big water play, lots of awesome wildlife, and just some of the friendliest locals you'll ever meet. So after a 2-year break from paddling, I just thought this would be the perfect way to reignite the fire that drives me. So I came out here and just really excited to be able to push myself in ways I haven't really been able to before.
You shall rise and look toward the skies. Where others fail, you'll prevail in time. You shall rise. Living.
I just noticed that I've been standing in a big pile of cow shit the entire interview then.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pimp to the beat, walking down the street and my new the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, security just can't fight them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in a Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. But this is how I roll. Come on ladies, it's time to go. We headed to the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Watch! Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. When I walk in the spot, this is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. Ay. I'm sexy and I know it. Check it out. Check it out. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah, yeah. Do the wiggle, man. I do the wiggle, man. Yeah. I'm sexy and I know it. Hey. Yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. I'm sexy and I know it.
Hey there, fancy pants, play the songs that make us dance, play the tunes that make the ladies swoon. A song for all the lonely hearts, shattered dreams and broken parts. Feels like sunny days are coming soon. Hey, Mr. Buttercup, spin the wheel and try your luck. The spotlight shining bright tonight on you. Bring along your lady friend, do a dance from way back when. Tonight's the night when all your dreams come true.
Следующая остановка Hypoxia. Вот она, бочка моей мечты.
Hey there, sour grapes, down in the dumps, long in the face, drinking down your dinner all alone. Feeling bad, feeling blue, tonight the rainbow ends with you. So sit on down and make yourself at home. So, hey there, fancy pants, play the songs that make us dance, play